We guide you through how to activate Windows 11 quickly and safely. First, click the Start menu and go to the Settings, then select System and scroll down to Activation. Here, you will see your activation status. If Windows is not activated, click Activate Now. Next, choose your method. If you already have a product key, click Change Product Key. Type in your 25-character key and hit Next. Then, click Activate and wait for confirmation. If you purchase a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, just make sure you're signed in, then click Troubleshoot. If activation doesn't happen automatically, and select I change hardware on this device recently, to relink your license for a user without a key, you can click Go to Store, purchase one directly. Once activated, you'll see Windows is activated with a green check mark. And that's it. Your system is now fully activated and ready to use with all features unlocked. Make sure to restart your PC if changes doesn't apply immediately.